Children, welcome you in bio class. Children, today I am going to explain you dihybrid cross, that is inheritance of two genes. Mendel conducted experiment to study the segregation and transmission of two pairs of contrasting character at a time. So that experiment is called dihybrid cross, or that is called two-factor cross. He studied the inheritance of round and wrinkled character of seed along with the color of seed coat, yellow and green color. Mendel found that cross between round yellow and wrinkled green seed produced only round yellow seed in F1 generation, but in F2 generation seeds of 4 phenotypes were produced. 2 of these phenotypes were similar to the parental combination, means parental combination was round yellow and wrinkled green. So there 2 phenotypes were similar to the parental combination. 2 more new combinations he found. So that new combination was green round and yellow wrinkled. So for this he took variety of round yellow seed, and this is the round yellow seed, and there is wrinkled green seed. And when there is the cross between round yellow and wrinkled green, then in the F1 generation the phenotype is round yellow. This is the parent generation, and this is F1 generation. Children, allelomorphs of round yellow, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Allelomorphs of wrinkled green, small r, small r, small y, small y. When they produce the gametes, so there in the gametes genes are round and genes of yellow. In the gametes of wrinkled green, genes are wrinkled and genes of greens are present. When they produce the progeny in F1 generation, then there is round yellow. So in F2 generation, when there is the self cross among the individual of F1 generation, then progeny produced in F2 generation, and in F2 generation the seeds are having 4 types of phenotype. In that 4 types of phenotypes, 2 are in the parental combination, that is round yellow, and other is wrinkled green. 2 more are, that is the new combination. In that one is round green and other is wrinkled yellow. So you can say there are 4 types of combinations are found in F2 generation: round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, and wrinkled green. If we are counting On the basis of the phenotype, round yellow are 9, green round 3, yellow wrinkled 3, and green wrinkled 1. So this is the combination. So in F2 generation, the ratio is 9:3:3:1. This ratio is called dihybrid ratio. So we can explain this dihybrid cross once more. In this you see gene for round character of seed is capital R, gene for yellow color of the seed coat capital Y, gene for green color of seed small y, and gene for wrinkled character of seed small r. Plants with round yellow seeds have genotype capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. Like this, the plants with wrinkled green seeds have genotype small r, small r, small y, small y. These plants will produce gametes. So when these plants are producing the gametes have genes capital R, capital Y, small r, small y. And when these parent plants are cross pollinated, the union of gametes will produce F1 hybrids with capital R small r, capital Y small y genotype, but their phenotype is round yellow. So round yellow character or dominant over wrinkled green. Therefore, all progeny of in F1 generation are round yellow. In F2 generation, all the 4 genes are sort out independent of others. It means a pair of alternate or contrasting characters behaves independently of the other pair. It means inheritance of seed color is independent of seed coat. Therefore, at the time of gamete formation, gene for round or wrinkled character of seed coat is sorted out independently of the yellow or green color of the seed. As a result, from the combination of genes and 2 types of gametes with new combinations are produced. So gametes which are produced, that is capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y. So this is capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. These 4 types of gametes on random fusion produce 4 types of offsprings. So which 4 types of offsprings were produced in F2 generation? There, round yellow, this is round yellow, other is round green, there is wrinkled yellow and wrinkled green. So these 4 types, and the ratio, when we are taking the ratio between the round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow and wrinkled green, that ratio is 9:3:3:1. So this is the ratio in F2 generation. We can explain this dihybrid cross on the basis of the monohybrid cross also. If there is a cross between seed, plants with seed round and wrinkled, and cross between the seed yellow and green, then in F2 generation, a cross between round wrinkled produce 3 round and 1 wrinkled. Like this, yellow green in F2 generation, a cross between yellow green seed produce 3 yellow and 1 green. It means yellow is dominant and green recessive. 3/4 yellow, 1/4 green. Like this, round is dominant, wrinkled is recessive. So ratio between the round and wrinkled is 3:1. So dominant round 3/4 and wrinkled 1/4. According to the probability of combination of two pairs of genes in F2 generation, the progeny will be round yellow. So in monohybrid cross, round 3/4, yellow 3/4. So 3/4 into 3/4, that is coming 9/16. Like this, green round, green is dominant, green is the recessive, round is dominant. So round is 3/4, green is 1/4. So according to the probability of combination, 3/4 into 1/4, 3/16. Now yellow wrinkled, yellow is dominant, wrinkled is recessive. So dominant is 3/4, recessive is 1/4. 3/4 into 1/4, 3/16. And in the green wrinkled or wrinkled green, wrinkled is recessive, green is also recessive. So 1/4 into 1/4, 1/16. Therefore, round yellow 9/16, green round green 3/16, wrinkled yellow 3/16, and green wrinkled 1/16. Therefore, we can say in F2 generation, in dihybrid cross, ratio of progeny is 9:3:3:1.